Yorubo ninyo sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 6 sa mga vocabulary na sinusort out natin from book 2 na minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. Nim siga simada, to be smelly. Ning dong chango, cold storage. Ning myon, cold buckwheat noodles. Ning bang, air conditioning. Nuto, nut. Numuchida, to strip over. Numuchim chihe, falling disaster. Nutda, to put something into. Niktayrul mida, to tayatay. Niktayrul pulda, to antayatay. Nun, rice paddy. Nungdam, joke. Nungyak punmoge, chemical sprayer. Nungyagol chida, to spray, apply agricultural pesticides. Nungop, agriculture industry. Nungjang, farm. Nuruda, to praise. Nujunsago, short circuit. Nuchurtuida, to have gas leak. Nunchirulpuda, self-conscious. Nipo, nippers. Tandane, firmly. Tanjungada, to be net. Tanchurul chamkuda, to bottom up. Tanchurul pulda, to unbutton. Tanaptiwe, employee piprali. Talda, tuhang. Tak, chicken, hin. Takugi, chicken. Tamda, to put something into. Tanggon, carrot. Dat, anchor. Ingugamanta, to be heavily populated. Ingugachukta, to be tiny populated. Inyong, dal. Inwasong mulchalkyunggo, warning, flammable material. Elyonine, all year long. Ildan, for the moment, for now. Ildang, daily wage. Ilyuncha, wheelbarrow. Ilpanchuguro, in general. Ilsi chulkokada, to live temporarily. Iri to chalduida, it goes much better. Iri mulida, to be swamped with work. Ilhal masinada, to feel like working. Imgom, which is Imgumul chiburada, to daily payment of wages, to be arrears. Imde yakso, lease contract. Ipkuhada, to stock. Ipkuk shinguso, arrival card. Ipkup simsarul batda, to go through immigration. Ipkuk chulcha, entry process. Ipkugi kumsituita, to be denied entry. Ipkukada, to enter a country. Immat, appetite. Ipunul hada, to be hospitalized. Chagyugul pyungyung hada, to change status. Chagyugul puyohada, to grant status of sojourn. Chagyugul wiktukhada, to obtain a status of sojourn. Chagyugi choyuchida, to be qualified. Chadunguro, automatically. Charuda, to cut. Chayurupda, to be lively. Chajin chulkokakso, voluntary departure.